Hey guys, right now on my side are our new design mirror photo booths. On my left side is a colorful design with the touch screen at the top and the glass mirror on the body. On my right side is a magic mirror photo booth with a fading light at the top. They are both Android systems with our software ChackTok pre-installed. Now let's have a check with the basic function of this mirror photo booth and the software ChackTok. Now let's use this colorful mirror photo booth to have a look for our basic function of the software ChackTok. Firstly, we need to log into our ChackTok. If you use our software ChackTok for the first time, you need to create an account. Click here to create an account. Create your account with email or your phone number. After the register completed, go back to log into with your account and the passwords. Click the up left to connect the network. Click System Setting and then click Wi-Fi Setting. Now the Wi-Fi is connected successfully. Go back into the home page. Now let's choose the photo mode to start. Select a template. Choose this one. Click Next.
3, 2,
It will
1.
take
3,
2 photos.
2, 1.
You can add the background. Add this one. And add some stickers. We can also add some text. Or we can adjust the size of the photo. Choose this card function. Then click Confirm to save the photo. Now the photo is saved successfully. We can share our artwork by email, message, QR code, and the application on your device. Or if you have a printer nearby, you can print it out. Right now, let's have a look for the system settings. Click up left to enter the system setting. Here we can set the LED strip light. Click LED setting to enter. The default state is the state when you power on the switch. Click the effect to choose the effect. You can choose the static color. Choose the color as green, red, or blue, or any other colors you want. Also, we can choose the rainbow effect like this way. And the three colors mode as is green, yellow, white. Those two modes are different from the default state. They only occur when you take photos and videos. Okay, now let's go to another setting. This automatically start at boot function. If you don't want your ChackTok automatically start at boot, you can click to close. And if you want to download other applications for your use, you can click Apps and then enter the App Store to download the apps. The next print tab, if you have network printer, you can choose the network printer to print your photos out. And we also support with 𝗙𝗵𝗔 thermal print function. If you have 𝗙𝗵𝗔 thermal printer, get the USB cable connected, then you can print your artworks out directly. We can set with an event on your mobile phone. Click the upright button to create event. Input your event name. You can set the event background. Click the plus button to add from your album, or you can also take a photo by camera. Next, here we can make the shooting settings for the photo, for the interval times. And next, here we can set with video overlay, photo template, and background music. We can choose the photo template from our photo album. Click background to add the photo template from our photo album. Just this one. And we need to check the solution on photo album to choose the same solution. Can add the photo layer. Also, we can add the overlay to this photo template. And if you want to add the text, you can also add the text. Now all are done. Let's save the photo template. Next, there is the setting for event password. Enter the password, set with your event password, then your event screen will be locked. If you want to get exit from the event, you need to enter the event password. Confirm. Let's have a check with the shell station, the event we just created. Click the event and enter the event. We can start the shooting. Click the camera to enter the event.
3, 2, 1. 3.
It will take 3
1.
photos.
3, 2, 1.
Now the photo is here on our photo template. We can share our artworks by email, message, QR code, and application and the printer. If you want to get exit from the event, you need to click the up left button to enter the passwords you just set. Then click confirm. And go back to the home page of the ChackTok. These are the basic functions of our mirror photo booth and the software ChackTok. Trust me, they will be the most attractive site for your event. If you have any inquiries or ideas, welcome to feedback to us.